My creature's name is reindeer saber-toothed tiger. My animal lives in the forest. He has a snake tail so he can climb up trees. He has sharp claws so he can smack the skin off predators. And he lives in the forest so he can hear anything and eat frogs.
My creature is named African Lion Man. My animal has big feet so it can run fast. And my animal has sharp claws so it can dig really big. My animal has big ears so he can hear when predators come by. My animal lives in the jungle where there's a lot of trees and a lot of predators. My creature's name is Lai Sharon the rattlesnake. My wild thing lives underwater and he loves to eat fish. If my wild thing needs to, he can start to fly. My wild thing has a snake-like tail to slither up on its prey and take it by surprise. He has sharp teeth to rip apart his prey. He has fins to glide quickly through the water. What does your wild thing look like?
My creature is named His Bush Zebra Fly Stingray. It lives in the grassland. It has cockroaches antennas. Also, it has bush baby eyes. Next, it has monarch wings. Last, it has a stingray tail.
My creature is named Elisha Illa Tarantula. My animal lives in the desert. My legs help me stand up. I have great hearing and I can hear predators from miles away. My teeth are sharp because I use them to bite predators if they come near me. I have great eyesight and my arms help me constrict my prey.
My creature name is Atu Backhunter Crawat Rattlesnake. My wild thing lives in the jungle. He has a rattlesnake tail. He has bat ears and wings. He has crab arms and a snake tongue. Last, he can talk to birds.
My creature's name is Snakeshell. Snakeshell can eat anything. To eat, he constricts his prey and eats them. His ears are for hearing above and below water. He uses arms for climbing. His shell is for when he goes swimming so he can breathe. His eyes can see underwater. When he hides, he goes in his shell.
My creature's name is Dog Shay Stingray. My creature has big ears. His big ears keep his body cool. My teeth can grip slippery prey. Its tail flip its tail over its head and say, "Ready, aim, fire." He lives in the forest and he is very fast.
My turtle snake lives in the African safari. To protect himself, he whacks his enemy with his tail, or hitting his enemy with his horns. This animal gets his food by camouflage, and then when he sees his food, he strikes. He eats by biting with his teeth. The animal walks very slow, but he can go 20 miles per hour, up to 7 yards.
My creature is named Elmonzi Octopus. My animal lives under the water. My legs help me swim and catch other fish. My ears help me hear other predators that are coming. My beak helps me smell and eat other animals.
My creature is named Montone. My wild thing is camouflage. She has expo horns to protect her head. Also, she has big ears so she can hear when the predator is coming. When a
predator is coming, she will slither away with her snake tail. She has a shell to protect her from getting hurt on her back. Last, she has gorilla arms to climb up trees. Finally, she is a great animal.
My creature's name is Spider Crab Claws. My wild thing has 2 frog legs so he can jump up into trees just in case of an emergency. Next, he has crab claws so he can pinch someone if he has to. He has a horn so he can ram into people. Also, he has wings so he can fly just in case.
My creature is named Bad at Shark. He is very fast. Also, he has good hearing. He has sharp teeth to protect himself. He can fly to get away from enemies.
My creature's name is Dog Kinda Gibbon. It lives in a cave. My wild thing has African wild ears. It has a snake mouth and very poor eyesight. It has a snake tongue so she can smell. It has goblin arms so it can climb trees.
My creature's name is Andrew. My wild thing has sea lion ears, butterfly wings, hornbill beak, tree frog arms, and peacock male tail. It eats nectar from flowers. Also, his ears are small, so he has poor hearing, and he has good eyesight.